Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lobster rolls using lobster tails. First, ensure your lobster tails are properly thawed, ideally overnight in the fridge. Next, take your kitchen shears and carefully cut down the center of the top shell from the wide end to the tail. Gently open the shell and extract the raw lobster meat, keeping it in large, intact pieces for the best texture in your rolls. Once you have your raw lobster meat, it's time to cook it. You can either boil or steam the meat until it turns opaque and is cooked through, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes for average-sized tails. After cooking, let the lobster cool slightly, then chop it into bite-sized pieces, roughly 1/2 inch cubes. Make sure the lobster is completely cool before moving to the next step. Now for the heart of the lobster roll, the filling. In a bowl, gently mix your cooled, chopped lobster with a few tablespoons of good quality mayonnaise and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. For a classic touch and some crunch, fold in finely chopped celery and fresh chives. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, ensuring all ingredients are well combined. Finally, it's time to assemble your incredible lobster rolls. Take your split-top hot dog buns, butter them lightly, and toast them in a pan until golden brown and warm. This creates a perfect, buttery vessel for your filling. Generously spoon the prepared lobster mixture into each toasted bun. For those looking to simplify their kitchen routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Serve immediately and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.